Hey guys, check out this beautiful kitchen renovation.
The before and afters are absolutely insane.
We are so excited to show you around.
Let's get inspired.
Oh yeah. So let's talk about the floors. This is our Hallmark Alta Vista engineered hardwood in the color Balboa. One thing that makes the Hallmark engineered hardwood so popular, especially in Minnesota with our crazy humidity, is that this product has a plywood center with a 1/2 inch real wood top, which makes us able to do the wide planks like this.
And one of the things that Amanda and I love about this specific floor is it has a really pretty matte finish. It's not shiny. And because of that, it's gonna hide and disguise all of your dirt and dust. So if you have pets or kids, it's gonna be perfect.
Let's talk cabinets. These are the Medallion brand cabinets. They are hickory wood species with the Biscotti stain. The Apollo style is new to us, and what we love so much about it is it gives like the old traditional shaker style, kind of a modern twist with this real skinny shaker, clean line look.
And one of the things that I love about this stain, the Biscotti, is that it plays off beautifully with their floors. So there's a little bit of the contrast between the two where the cabinets aren't gonna get lost into the flooring.
One thing that we are really excited to show you is these spice drawers. Do you see how here they did the design and they came out a little bit because the range is pretty deep? The standard 24-inch cabinets are right here, and then the cabinet designer brought them out a little further so that it gives this really seamless look. And here, there's all this storage here for your utensils, some spices on the bottom.
The other thing that I love in their kitchen is this gorgeous hood that they have above their range. It's a really pretty black finish, but you can see the subtle wood veining on it. And then they actually chose to have these gorgeous black floating shelves that just flows into it, so it's one seamless line for a little modern flair.
Double islands are like one of the coolest ideas that I've ever seen.
Same.
This family teamed up with Chris Kurth Construction and one of our favorite designers and architects, Nicole Pearson. This was all kind of her baby. When they're going from the sink to the range, they needed this walkway, and it really wouldn't have worked any other way. Each island is a little different because this one has the built-in microwave, and then this one has this really cool panel-ready beverage fridge. So for all of their, overflow of beverages they can put in here, but you would never know because it has
looks like a cabinet door.
Yeah, gorgeous front.
They honestly look like a piece of furniture. It doesn't look like a true island. They have the beautiful legs and then the panel finishing going all the way around too. So it almost looks like a buffet.
Nobody likes clutter, especially on the kitchen counter.
Yes.
This is called a baking center. And so the doors open up and then they slide back in, which is so cool. So you can see that they have their toaster, their coffee maker, all the things that just don't look good when
on
they're
the
out
counter.
yeah, daily. So then it's all hidden behind, and it's just so awesome.
Yeah.
So I don't know about you, Chelsea, but I would totally drink a marg in this kitchen.
You would?
Yeah.
Well, looky here. Might have a little barg in the sink.
Cheers.
Cheers. One of the things that Amanda and I get asked all the time is cabinet hardware. So as you can see in this kitchen, they picked one of our most popular pulls. This is called the Versa pull, which is from the brand Amarok. And they actually intermixed two different sizes, which I love to see. So this features a 9-inch pull, and then on any of their cabinet doors, they did our popular 5-inch pull, and then intermixed a different style, which is actually called Black Rock for the knobs.
All right, let's talk countertops. These are insanely gorgeous. This is called quartzite. Natural stone, like granite, so you do have to seal it. This is the most durable hard surface that you are ever gonna get. Literally won't crack on you, very little imperfections, just
and it's so unique. Like, this is easily my favorite component of their kitchen.
Yes.
Is the quartzite countertops. Like, the second Amanda and I walked in, that was immediately where my eyes went. So Amanda, the other component of the house that I wanted to show everybody today is their gorgeous tile in the entryway.
Yeah.
So they did a super fun, modern take on it with this large format tile.
This is our Happy Floors line of tile, and it is 48 by 48. So literally 4 feet by 4 feet. It's insanely big and gives like this really pretty warm concrete vibe in here.
Having the larger pieces of tile equals less grout lines. So right off of the living room, the homeowners decided to do this awesome carpet in a step-down family room. So this features one of our favorite lines of carpet that we carry.
Yep, it's the Mohawk brand and the Smart Strand silk line, which feels like butter. It's so soft, so cushy. Exquisite Portrait is the line. So if you are interested in it, we can totally show you this. It's so beautiful.
And the cool thing about this too is it's such a funky pattern that they actually don't even need an area rug, that I feel like it speaks for itself.
Thank you so much for joining us on today's episode of Renovating Rochester. We have had so much fun showing you around this gorgeous Rochester renovation.
And if any of you guys are working on your next remodel project, whether it's something small like a flooring job or a full-blown kitchen like this, come and see Amanda and I at the showroom and we would love to help you out.